2 ways to resolve water pressure problems in a bathroom faucet. Now, I don't believe my first way is going to resolve my problem. It may not even resolve your problem. So we're going to go through both processes in order to get this water pressure up so we can get it back to normal. Okay, so the first way to boost water pressure is to remove your diverter. The diverter catches calcium deposits so they do not get in your drinking water. This is the diverter key that I'll be using to take it out. Alright, here's my water pressure. Cold side, hot side. So then I'm going to stick my key in just like this, so that the teeth mesh, and I'm going to turn it to the left. Once I get it loose, should be able to undo it by hand. So get it undone. Look at all the calcium deposits. See them? Actually, they're in there pretty good. So we'll have to clean this out. Alright, I'm going to clean the diverter with some CLR, calcium, lime, and rust. It's going to fill that up and let it sit there. So cleaning the diverter didn't work very well. Here's my water pressure right now, where it's at. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the second way to boost water pressure. And we're going to go underneath the cabinet. Turn our valves off. Like that. Now some valves you may have to turn multiple times, but mine are just on and off. Once your valves are turned off, you can use a 5/8 wrench or a crescent wrench to remove the lines. Alright, so we're going to go do the hot line first. And let's support this copper line like this. And we'll get the cold line here. Just like that. Doesn't take much to loosen them. And then take it off by hand. Now that I got the lines off, I was expecting to find calcium deposits inside my lines, but they're looking pretty clear. So then I got inside here and I looked down into the valve. You see that? I'm gonna check out the other valve here, and they both have calcium deposits in there. So I'm gonna clean the buildup out of there, clean the top of the valve off with something like this, pick, or a small flathead screwdriver. Just kind of get all the buildup out of there. And take the steel pipe cleaner. Let's see what we can come up with. Oh yeah, yeah, buddy. Steel pipe cleaner working pretty good. Get them deposits out of there.
Cool. Like it. After using the steel pipe cleaner, we got all the calcium deposits out of there. We're looking good. We are looking real good. Let's I don't suggest doing this, but I'm gonna open this valve up just a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, we got flow. Whoa, too much on that one. Beautiful. All right, we got some flow. Let's hook the lines up and see what happens. All right, by all means, don't ever turn your valves on like that. All you do is basically keep your line on your valve, disconnect your line from the faucet, and get yourself a bucket and put the line into the bucket, then turn your valve on to check for the proper flow. All right, turn these valves on real quick. See what we come up with. Cold side. Well, that's a lot better. Hot side. It's not good at all. So I kind of figured as much. So we'll come back down here, turn the valves off. I'm going to remove the two lines from the valves. Then I'm going to come up here. I'm going to remove the cold side from the faucet here and the hot side from the faucet here. Replace the lines, which was the second way to boost water pressure. That was the plan originally, so let's get it done. Alright, there's a little bit of buildup right there, not much. Cold side. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright. A little buildup there. Look all the way on the inside. You see all that buildup? Right, what is slowing our flow? I guarantee it. All right, let's check out the rest of it here. See, there's the other problem. Slow and flow right there. All right, here's my hot side. I'm going to use this steel pipe cleaner. Okay, get this cleaned out. Ew, yuck. Took a spray bottle, sprayed it in here to get all the rest of the deposits, small deposits that may be on there. Make sure you wear safety glasses when you do with the whole process so you don't get anything in your eyes. All right, here's my old lines. Here's my new lines. We're going to get these new lines on and check out the water pressure. Now that the top lines to the faucet are on and nice and tight, we will go down and hook the lines up onto the valves. I made sure everything was dry. Put a new towel down. Let's turn the valves on. Let's see what we come up with. Here's the cold side. Oh, that's a lot better. Hot side, big problem side here. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, let's turn them both on and go down here take a look at all of our fittings. Make sure we got no leaks. Make sure everything's looking good. Make sure you check your drain. Make sure you didn't happen to accidentally hit it and jar something around and create a leak there. Consider being a subscriber. Hit the thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos. Later.